welcome to my channel. Come on in, where the crafts are flowing and the fun begins. We cut, we glue, we paint, we play. There's something creative every day. Welcome to my channel where we craft and have fun. It's a bright, happy space for everyone. We do all crafts, big and small. Grab your tools and let's make it all. From junk journals to paper tags, ribbon, buttons, and fabric scraps. If you love to create, then you're in the right place. Let's get crafty with a smile on your face. Now welcome to my channel where we craft and have fun. It's a bright, happy space for everyone. We do all crafts, big and small. So hit that subscribe and let's make it all.
Hi Crafty Angels. In this video, I will show you how I created this greeting card here. So stay tuned. Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from ANGELROSE Designs here on YouTube. And today I'm here with my design team project for Paperomia. And I'm using, excuse my voice y'all, the printable entitled, let me see here, American Dream. And I'm going to make a postcard with it. Look at the vibrant colors, y'all. And the 2 pages I'm going to use out of the 22 page printable are these 2. This is going to be the top part of my card here, and this is going to be the inside of my card. I'm going to be using this part and this part. Okay, so shall we get this show on the road? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to ink all my edges here for all of my pieces. So I got my printable. I have my cardstock. This is 8.5 by 11. And I folded it on the 11-inch side. And we're going to also need our Mr. Rolly, or you can use Miss Rolly if you have the pink one, which I have both. And then you're going to need either your double-sided tape or your glue, which I'm going to be using glue today. So let me clean out the nozzle. Okie dokie. We got that cleaned out. I'm going to put it back in my stand so it'll stay that way. And we're going to get our inking going here. So I made this just for inking so I don't have to bend my paper. So I just put it at the edge like so. Ink. Turn it like you usually do when you ink it without anything behind it. Okay. Like so. Okay. Ink all of your pieces. Now you can round the corners if you like, but in this project I won't be rounding my corners. Okay. So there we go. And when I'm gonna be doing some tips on different things on my channel. Look at that, y'all. And now I'm going to ink my card here. go this side, and then we're going to ink the inside also. Okay. Now you can make a journal, a junk journal with this, a planner with this. It depends on what you're inspired to make with this. I was inspired to make a card, and that's what I'm going to make. Um, let's fold that over. And you see, I still have a lot of ink left on my dauber here. So there we go. So we're going to put this away. We put this in here and this way. So we're going to put this away. Now we're going to get our pieces back over here. Let me get Mr. Rolly and flatten this out here so it stays flat while I work. So our first piece, we're going to put this on top. Okay. Now I'm going to see. I'm going to use this to glue, put my glue on. So my paper stays flat. Okay. Like so. And I want to leave a 1/4 inch on all sides. Like so. Whoops. Let's pull this down just a tad bit. There. Get Mr. Rolly and spread that glue on out. Okay. We're going to open it on up. We're going to do our next piece. Just to let our paper sit the way so it's not floppy all over the place. All I did was take some cardstock and laminate it. Okay. That's all this is laminated cardstock that I made something, I think it was labels, to do that. I mean, you can just laminate the cardstock all together by itself, but I usually save my cardstock, pieces of cardstock that I laminate to do inking or gluing or whatever. Because you see, without the piece behind it, it's not flat. So if I put this behind it, it stays flat. Okay. Okay. We put this back in its resting place. We're going to put this like so over here in the corner and leave a 1/4 inch on 2 sides. And we're going to spread our glue on out. And our project is done. Okay. There we go. Our 4th of July greeting card, y'all. Okay. So I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please hit the red subscribe button and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell
Thanks for watching, it's great to see you. You are greatly appreciated. If you haven't done it yet, please hit the subscribe
Be positive.
button while you are at it. Hit the notification button to get notified
And on a post, crafting on a budget, having everything on a budget.
when I go live or when I upload a new video. Also leave a comment. Please be kind, be caring, be blessed, be crafty, and be positive. We will see you in the next video. Happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget. We'll see you all